Hi friends, myself Purushottam. Today's topic in inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanisms in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent's object. It is an important part of OOPS, object-oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon exit classes. When you inherit from an exit classes, you can resume method and fields of the parents classes. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overloading, so runtime polymorphisms can be achieved. For code reusability, terms used in inheritance. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template of blueprint from which objects are created. Subclass is a class which is inherit the other class. It is also called a derived class, extend class or child class. Super class, parents class. Super class is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called a base class. For parents class, resolvability, as the name specify, resolvability is a mechanisms which for facilities you to reuse the field and method of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same field and methods already defined in the previous class. The extend keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derived from a existing class. The meaning of extends is to increase the format functionality. Types of inheritance in Java. One, the basic of class. There can be three types of inheritance in Java: single, multi-level, and hierarchical. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through in interfaces. Only we will learn about interfaces later. First one, type in single inheritance example. When a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance. In the example given below, dog class inheritance animal class. So there is the single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Second one, multi-level inheritance class. When there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance, as you can see in the example given below. Baby dog class inheritance the dog class, which again inherits the animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. Thank you guys.